Hello guys, welcome back to another AI tutorial video. If you're new to AI, this video can save you hours of research. Today, I'm going to show you some of the best free AI tools beginners should start using in 2026 for content creation, productivity, automation, and even making money online. And the best part is, most of these tools are completely free to start. Welcome to AI Gold Rush Pro, where we explore AI tools, prompts, automation, and future AI strategies. Let's get started. First is ChatGPT. This is one of the best AI tools for beginners because it can help with writing, research, content ideas, emails, scripts, and much more. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create YouTube ideas, business concepts, social media captions, or even blog outlines within seconds. The more specific your prompts are, the better your results become. Tool number 2, Canva AI. This tool is extremely beginner-friendly and can help you create YouTube thumbnails, videos, social media graphics, presentations, and even AI-generated designs. Many creators use Canva because it's simple, fast, and does not require advanced editing skills. You can even create faceless YouTube videos directly inside Canva. Tool number 3, Leonardo AI. If you want to create AI images or artwork, Leonardo AI is a great beginner-friendly option. Beginners can create impressive AI visuals for thumbnails, content, branding, and creative projects without needing graphic design experience. This is becoming very popular among content creators and marketers. Tool number 4, CapCut AI. CapCut AI tools can help you create videos faster using automatic captions, templates, and AI editing features. This can help beginners create faster and more professional-looking videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Tool number 5, ThunderPrompts. If you want better AI outputs and more advanced prompt workflows, tools like ThunderPrompts can also help improve your AI results. If you want more advanced AI prompts and workflows, I'll leave this helpful resource called ThunderPrompts in the description below. There are also many AI productivity tools that can help automate repetitive tasks, improve organization, and save time during daily work. From AI note-taking tools to AI writing assistants and scheduling tools, AI is becoming a huge advantage for freelancers, creators, and business owners. So those were some of the best free AI tools beginners should start using in 2026. The best way to learn AI is to start experimenting consistently and discover which tools fit your workflow best. If you want a free AI marketing prompt pack, check the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more AI tools, prompts, tutorials, and future AI strategies. Thanks for watching.